once again.
Good morning, students. This is Naren Srivastava, your biology teacher. Today I am going to start Kingdom Monera. So, first of all, its characteristics. अगर हम उन 5 बेसिक कैरेक्टर्स की बात करें, which are the basis of 5 kingdom classification, then Monerans are prokaryotic, unicellular, microscopic organisms. They are autotrophic or heterotrophic both, and the reproduction occurs by asexual mode of reproduction. अगर सेक्सुअल की बात करें तो सेक्सुअल मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन में केवल जीन रिकॉम्बिनेशन मतलब जेनेटिक मटेरियल का रिकॉम्बिनेशन होता है. यहाँ एक बात तो क्लियर हो गई दैट द मोनेरन्स आर ओनली प्रोकैरियोट्स. नेक्स्ट इज द नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर ऑफ मोनेरन्स आर द सेल वॉल इज जनरली प्रेजेंट. Because they are prokaryotes, so the membrane-bound cell organelles are absent. Flagella may be present as locomotory organ and is single-stranded. So these are the characteristics of kingdom Monera. It include bacteria, mycoplasma, actinomycetes, and cyanobacteria. The sole members of Monera are bacteria, and the bacteria are the most abundant microorganisms. Now come on the shape of bacteria. On the basis of shape of bacteria, they are of 4 types. Number 1 cocci, number 2 bacillus, number 3 spirillum, number 4 vibrio. The round shaped bacteria are known as cocci. If 2 round shaped bacteria are joined together, then this is called diplococci. When they join to form a chain like structure, then this is called streptococcus. And when they form a cube like structure, then this is called Yersinia. And when they forms a bunch of bacteria, then this is called staphylococcus. The rod shaped bacteria are called bacillus. Just like cocci, when two rod shaped bacteria unite to form diplobacillus, and when they form a chain like structure, then called streptobacillus. The spiral shaped bacteria having 1 or 2 flagella at one or both end or absent, then this is called spirillum. And the comma shaped bacteria, the bacteria have comma shape, is called as vibrio. Now the next is type of bacteria. The bacteria are of 2 types, archaebacteria and eubacteria. First, today we will discuss about archaebacteria. Here the name given archaebacteria. Archaea means ancient and bacteria is bacteria. So we can say the literal meaning of archaebacteria is ancient bacteria. It shows most primitive form of life. They found in extreme condition like high temperature, high salinity, because the presence of cell wall differ from eubacteria due to lack of peptidoglycans. It is also believed that they are beginning creature on the earth. Now, the archaebacteria are of 3 types: the methanogens, halophils, and thermoacidophils. First of all, methanogens. The methanogens are found in marshy land and known for the production of methane gas. Hence, the methane gas is also known as Mars gas. The methanogens are also found in the rumen of ruminants. The examples are Methanococcus, Methanophilus, etc. The next is halophils. The term halophil is taken from the haline. Haline means saline. That means uh, salinity. Actually, these archaebacteria are found in the highly saline places, means the places that have high salt concentration, like Dead Sea. And the example is Halococcus. The last type of archaebacteria is thermoacidophils. They are found in the condition where is high temperature and high acidity. So they can tolerate the high temperature and high acidity. The example is Thermus aquaticus. The Thermus aquaticus archaebacteria is most important, has the most important role in biotechnology, because the polymerase enzyme obtained from Thermus aquaticus is used in PCR technique that you will study in the class 12th. So this was all about the archaebacteria. In the next lecture we will talk about the eubacteria. So it is enough for today. Thank you.